Okay, today we are going to change out the laundry sink faucet. It's actually not leaking right now, but the knobs are a little bit harder to open and close. So then I decided to just change it out to a little lever thing. I think it's probably time to clean up the sink too. So I'm going to put in a Glacier model, and he's sitting right over here. So it's Glacier Bay, Home Depot. I'll send you a link. It's a pretty nice unit. It's very inexpensive, less than $20. So you see the levers on the knobs. It's a little bit easier to operate. Okay, the first step is actually really quick. You're just basically going to turn off the water supply. Go into it. These are the hot and cold hoses that goes up to the old faucet that we're going to retouch. So here to remove the hose from the old faucet, and it's going to catch any water coming down. It's kind of a good idea too to like maybe put a towel underneath. There's the bucket in case I need it. Okay, not much water. Kind of took it off there. So we're going to unscrew that black part. Once we get to the other hose, take that off, and that'll be the next step. With the two hoses off now, basically remove the retaining rings or retaining nuts that's on the old type. So we're gonna flip it over to the other side now, so you actually can just take it off. So we'll probably gonna do some cleaning to this guy, scrub him up, clean it all up. He's the old guy. Imagine all this brown stuff's kind of like just a plumber's putty. We'll probably end up maybe like just scraping off the old putty. If you're gonna do that work, then I generally like to get some paper towels and just kind of stop up the drain. You don't want anything falling in. Okay, you should be able to make quick work of the old putty. Okay, I brought in a bucket, actually just a bucket of water from the kitchen sink, and I'm just going to use some Comet to clean things up a little bit. I'm not really going to use any plumber's putty. Already has a little base plate to it, so you just kind of imagine this guy going back down. Tighten it up downstairs. You tighten it basically down below. Actually, what I will do before I put it on, I'm gonna get some Teflon tape for the threads. He basically, it provides a little bit more of a nice seal to the water hoses. Okay, Teflon tape put on. A little black washer on the bottom, put on. Center it, put it over. Then I'm gonna take it down below, and we'll go ahead and use a couple of nuts that came with it to secure it back, which are essentially these guys right here, to the threads. And then we're almost more than halfway done. Okay, so we're just tightening up the nuts below. You kind of see what I'm doing. I'm to attach the hoses back. That's where the thread tape helps in terms of providing a watertight seal or connection. Turn on back the water. Check for leaks. Okay, here's the fun part. We get to test it out. It's a nice reach. I think it's a 6.5 inch reach. I check the box. Turn on the water. That's the hot. That's the cold. Everything's working out good. Perfect. Okay, so I think it was a pretty successful project. You know, difficulty level maybe a 2. It's pretty straightforward. I think you know that most DIY folks at home can actually do that. The levers actually work out really nice. You know, it's very ergonomically friendly with the levers versus the knob. So hey, if you like the stuff that I do, you gotta hit that subscribe button down there, lower right hand side, and then we're gonna catch you next time. And then we'll get into some more fun. So see you guys later. Bye.